A Montana court rules in favor of author John Krakauer in his lawsuit against Montana's Commissioner of Higher Education.
A Helena district judge says UM's disciplinary records in the rape case against former quarterback Jordan Johnson are public records and will be released, but only after they've been edited.
Krakauer has sought the records concerning how the University of Montana handled the rape allegations.
But Montana Higher Education Commissioner Clay Christians tried to keep those records private, claiming they were protected by Johnson's right of privacy. In his ruling today, Judge Mike Menahan said the UM is a public institution and Johnson was a public representative of the university because of the scholarships he received to play football. The judge will allow the state to redact some of the identifying information in those documents before they're released.
Now, Krakauer focused on the Johnson case in his book, Missoula, Rape and the Justice System in a College Town. He wrote that book without complete access to the reports. Former Montana U.S. Attorney Bill Mercer says the ruling today is fairly straightforward in that the judge acknowledged most of the information in the disputed documents is already known.
Really, the foundation of the ruling seems to be that there is so much knowledge already about the matter between the criminal trial, Krakauer's book, all the publicity, that there really isn't anything in those records that, if released, isn't already known to the public. What is unknown is what was undertaken by the Commissioner of Higher Education. And the court goes on to conclude, that's a significant reason that weighs in favor of disclosure so the public has an understanding of how the disciplinary procedures work.
Now, if you think today's ruling brings the case to an end, Mercer says think again.
He says he believes the commissioner will appeal this ruling to the Montana Supreme Court, telling us, quote, there is a reasonable certainty that there will be further activity in the case.